Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today I want to show you how we remove stripped screws. It can be a common problem, and I know just about everybody has had that issue before. I just have a couple quick tips for you on how to do that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time we're putting out new content. All right, so what I have here is just a standard star drive stainless steel screw. And I also have the standard old lumber. Okay, we're gonna go in. Okay, let's just say you strip the head of the screw out. In case you're getting a little, aggressive with it. All right, oh no. My screw is stripped. How do you get it out? Well, depending on how deep it is when it strips, will determine my technique. Everybody's probably done it this way, but I've just used a set of vice grips. Vice grips are really great for getting out a stripped screw. You just gotta adjust your tension to the head of the screw until you can get a nice tight, firm grab on it and back it out. All right, piece of cake, right? Awesome. So vice grips number one. Let's say you have a lot of these, like maybe you pulled some decking out and the screws are all stuck and you don't want to just snap them off. That's another option. Instead of trying to get the screw out, you could just snap it off if it doesn't matter. But what if you're in a cosmetic surface that you want to keep looking good, you don't want to destroy? You can use a standard drill with a lockable chuck and then screw right over the top of it. Okay, I'm going to slow this down. Tighten your chuck up, hit reverse, just like that. This is my favorite way to do this. It's used quite a bit. A lot of people don't know about it. A lot of people do, but you just lock your chuck, and then to get the screw out, you just undo the chuck. So you can see it's still grabbing on the head of the screw. There we go. Comes out. So that's my second, probably the most used way to get a stripped screw out if you have enough room and you're not damaging the surface. All right, so then you ask, okay, doctor, let's say you have a screw that's not quite all the way in the board. I'll pull it out just a little. Okay, that's pretty stripped. Let's just pretend this is a nice product. This AZEK PVC. AZEK PVC. Don't want to ruin the surface of this, right? Okay, go to this. Oh man, if I use this vice grip, for one, I'm having a hard time snapping onto it, and even if I could, when I turn this, I'm gonna mar up the surface of my deck. So vice grips, not gonna work. Oh, let's try the drill. Same problem. It's not gonna work. I can't get my head onto the screw. So, not gonna work. All right, so we've tried the vice grips. We tried the drill. That didn't work either. So when you're desperate times call for desperate measures. I have this product called a Speed Out that DJ Studio Man got me for Christmas one year. And, the carpenter in me says, this may work, but it wasn't 100% until I had this exact situation happen to me on the job site. And once you figure out how to open the box, what they are, they're a set of screw taker outers. Hold on, what do they call these things? So what they are is they're a damaged screw extractor. And there's 2 steps to each one. So there's 4 different sizes. These come in a kit. I'm not endorsed by this company. You can probably pick this up at Home Depot or other Amazon, that kind of stuff.
Amazon's where I got it.
Amazon is where Calvin got them. So, and he thought that these would just be a cool thing for me to have in case I ever needed them. And you know what? I've needed them. It saved me $100. This, whatever this costs, saved me $100 already. So what you do, there's two sides to this tip. There's the cutter side to cut the hole that you need, and then there's the reverse threaded side that helps you get the screw out. Okay, so we're gonna try this right now and see what happens. So the first thing you do is you load the cutter side. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So you gotta drill out in reverse, you flip the bit, and then you extract in reverse as well. So all the techniques you use for this particular tool is in reverse. So make sure you put your drill in reverse. All right, so here we go. So I'm gonna clean these burrs out. I'm gonna flip the bit. I'm gonna stand. Now if you notice, it has a reverse thread. So it's gonna wanna grab the drill, or excuse me, it's gonna wanna grab the head of the screw. As I spin this, it's gonna wanna grab the head of the screw and hopefully pull the screw out, okay? All right, there you go. Came out, stripped head and all. So these tools are pretty cool. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna use these every day. This is the kind of tool that you need once in a while, but when you do, it can get you out of a pinch. All right, guys, if you learned something today, please click that subscribe button. And if you wanna be notified every time we're putting out fresh content, hit that bell icon. I really appreciate you watching. Our page is building, and I just would appreciate it if you share our information out there, get it to your friends, let people know about us. We're trying to build this as big as we can. We're gonna keep paying it forward, and we're gonna keep putting out that sweet, sweet edit that DJ Studio Man does. So for all of you out there, I really appreciate you. Thank you for following, subscribing, watching us. Don't forget to check out our Instagram page as well, @drdecks. Thank you very much. Have a great day.